Whoever seeks good finds favor, but evil comes to one who searches for it. Proverbs chapter 11 verses 27. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today we are going to make our own homemade sardines, which is actually very exciting to me. Let's get started. This recipe, family, you need very few ingredients. I have here my fresh herrings, yes, Amane, and I have here some seasoning as well: salt, white pepper, garlic powder, ginger powder, a bit of lemon, bay leaves, dried peppers, and 2 sticks of grains of selim. And I'm going ahead to wash my fish. This fish was stored in the fridge for a very long time, and I soaked it in lemon water. That is why it's a little bit yellow on the outside. Just in case you're wondering, that is why I'm putting it out there. Okay, so it's now time for me to clean the fish very well. This fish is really tender and fragile. You need to handle it with so much care, just like a woman. Okay, so once you get rid of the things, the scales and the belly, it is now time to debone it. And this easy tips was learned from Nana Best Kitchen, our sister madam, always here inspiring us. Thank you so much, we love you. So once you're done deboning everything, you repeat until you're done with all the fish. I told you it is easy. Yeah, try it and you are going to perfect it. All right, so go ahead and repeat until you're done. Sure, you wash it for the second time as well. Sprinkle a lot more of the lemon juice and go in with your seasoning. Okay, here I added my white pepper, garlic pepper, fish seasoning, and some salt. Paul really has it for this sardine recipe, y'all. Just kept it in the fridge for about 20 minutes and then add it to my bowl. And once everything is in bowl, you go ahead and add your oil. Use any oil of choice. I use my wrapped soya or sunflower. It could be any oil of choice. Okay, it is absolutely beautiful and easy recipe. You go ahead and cook it on a very medium heat. I would say the lowest heat, okay, for about 45 minutes. I still add in some lemon chunks, a bit of dried peppers, and the grains of selim for extra heat. All right, it's so good. Look at this. After a whole 45 minutes of slow cooking, our sardines are ready, y'all. So good. It smells absolutely amazing. That oil, golden. So good. Once the oil turns clear like this, then it means that your sardines are ready. They came out whole, so good, and it does not smell that fishy sardine smells at all. It is absolutely delicious. So imagine having the sardines with your anwamo. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Your sandwich, your sardine sandwich is absolutely amazing here as well. You can also have it in your Ghana salad. You can pair with banku, anything that comes with grinded pepper. Your sardines needs to be represented. Here I just went ahead to fry some shrimps and also fry some eggs. You know where we are going to, right? We paired this with some hot gakenke. Oh my lord, it was just so perfect. The weather was also very cozy, so it was just the best thing ever. It was so good. I really hope you give this a try. By the way, I have the kinky recipe on this channel. I'm going to link it here and below as well. Do check it out. It is absolutely soft and just like the street one that you always get. Okay. It's so good. I really hope you give this a try. And fam, if you enjoy this recipe, please be sure to spread the word, share to a few friends and family, and also do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, it really helps and puts smile on my face. All right. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe to join the family for more amazing recipes like this. All right, thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.